Hamish, you've often said to me when you're quoting a Super Bowl that we must insist on SwRI 9503.
Yes, that's right.
Why though?
Because the SwRI 9503 is the highest conforming tank on the planet. So it has a 4-hour fire rating, along with a number of other things. And those other things are a projectile test, it has a hose stream test, it has a vehicle impact test, and then is put back in the furnace for another 2 hours. And that gets this.
What does that do though? I mean, why have another 2 hours?
So that further test,
Surely it's wrecked by then.
the further test proves that it can be recertified and reused in a building. And it's the only tank on the world that can.
So what you're telling me, if there is an incident and a tank's in a fire and an impact or something, a normal 2 or 4 hour fire in a tank, you've got to throw it away.
Exactly, yep.
And our one, you can reuse it.
Exactly right. The Super Bowl is the only tank in the world that can be refurbished and reused after an event. That's why I insist on SwRI 9503.